In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add text in Davinci Resolve. Now, the easiest and the most convenient way to do this is to add a title into your video as text. A text title, I mean. So go here to the top left-hand side and click on Effects Library. Then underneath the toolbox, if the toolbox isn't showing on the left-hand side, click on the drop-down menu, then click on Titles, and you'll get a whole bunch of titles here. I'm going to select the text title, and then I'm just going to drag it onto my clip here where I want the text. Now I'm going to select the text title layer, and then I'm going to go to the inspector at the top right hand corner. And because it's selected, I can now change this title. So I can write, "This is cool," anything you would like. And you can change the color of your text if you want. So the color wheel will pop up if you click on color. You can change the color of your text. It's fully customizable, so I'll just click on OK for that color. You can change the size just how you want it. And the most important thing, if you don't like the position, you can move the X and Y of the position to position it wherever you would like it to be. So somewhere in the middle or on the right hand side like that. And that's basically the easiest way to add text. So that is how you add text in Davinci Resolve. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.